Here are your nominees.
Ultimate Game of the Year. Astrobot. Final Fantasy VII Rebirth. Silent Hill 2. Helldivers 2. Black Myth Wukong. Balatro. Metaphor ReFantasio. Satisfactory. Tekken 8. Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Dragon Age The Veilguard. Animal Well.
Safe to say there's a lot of good stuff in there, but who did you choose as the winner? Let's start by counting down the results from spot number 5 to the runner-up.
Ultimate Game of the Year. At number 5, it's Metaphor ReFantasio. At number 4, it's Silent Hill 2. At number 3, it's Helldivers 2. At number 2, it's Final Fantasy VII Rebirth. But this year's Ultimate Game of the Year is
Okay, here we go. The winner of Ultimate Game of the Year 2024 is Black Myth Wukong.
I feel so close to you right now.
Please enjoy this video from Game Science.
大家好，我是游戏科学冯骥。在此，我先给全球玩家拜个早年。因为这个视频啊是提前录制的，所以如果大家看到我，大概率说明《黑神话：悟空》已经拿到了金摇杆的终极年度游戏大奖。这当然是件好事啊，毕竟金摇杆嘛，再次证明了它的含金量。也有很多人说这个袈裟不重要，袈裟不重要，但是我觉得天这么冷了，多一件袈裟它也不嫌多。好了，言归正传，在此呢，郑重的感谢游戏科学的每一位同事，每一个合作伙伴，尤其呢还要感谢所有购买了《黑神话：悟空》的玩家，是有你们一如既往的支持与信赖，我们才能翻过这座山，趟过这条河，能够一路磕磕绊绊走到这片未尽之地。如果你竟然还没有玩过《黑神话：悟空》，那你实在太幸福了，现在又多了一个一定要去玩的理由。那当然，你有可能早就通关了我们的游戏，那也没关系。我希望你能继续关注我们，也许今年年底还会有一些惊喜。最后呢，再次感谢所有慷慨出手为我们投票的 每一个天命人。人生不止游戏，人生呢也幸好有游戏。各位千言万语汇成一句：认真游戏，好好休息。谢谢。